Hello, in front of me I've got Lamzu Inca. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with app. To pair your mouse with app, let's go to Lamzu software download and download Aurora version for mice. Once it's downloaded, unzip it and install the app. Run the app, make sure that your mouse is connected and select it. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.